morning, dear children. Yesterday we have completed exercise 5.6. Now we have word sums, exercise 5.7. Here the word sums related to multiplication are given. So let us begin exercise 5.7. First question, it says, a factory manufactures 7,321 bottles in a month. If it produces an equal number of bottles every month, how many bottles will it manufacture in a year? So question number 1, a factory manufactures 7,321 bottles in a month. So factory will manufacture bottles in a year is equal to 7,321 into 12. Why? 1 year is equal to 12 months. So therefore we'll multiply here 7,321 into 12. This many bottles the company will manufacture in a year. Question number 2, it says, for a group competition, 136 children were there in each group. How many children be there in 25 such groups? Number of children in each group? (136). So number of groups 25. So the number of children in 25 groups is equal to 136 into 25. Is it? Now we'll multiply. 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15 and 3 80. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. 2 1s are 2. 3,400 children. This is question number 2. Question number 3, it says, Mahesh sold 37 television sets. If the cost of one set is rupees 8,891, how much did he get by selling all the sets? Now look at number 3. Cost of one TV set. Cost of one television set. Rupees 8,891. Number of television sets sold is equal to 37. So the total cost would be we'll just multiply 8,891 with 37, is it? Now when you multiply, you see 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63, 7 eights are 56 and 6, 61, 62, 7 eights are 56 and 6, 62. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 eights are 24 and 2 26, 3 eights are 24 and 2 26. Now add it up. 7, 6, 9, 8, 2, 3 rupees will be the cost of 37 TV sets. This was question number 3. Question number 4. 6,231 people went to a beach. Each person collected 26 seashells. Number of people went to the beach. Number of cells. Seashells collected by each people is equal to 26. So total seashells collected by the people is equal to 6,231 into 36, is it? Now we'll do the multiplication on the top because there is no place at the bottom. Sorry, this is 26. 6, 2, 3, 1 into 26. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12 and 1 13, 6 6 are 36 and 1 37, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 6 10 10 2. This many seashells they have collected. It was question number 4. Now question number 5, it says if 2,317 plants were planted every day, how many plants were planted in a month of February if it is a leap year? We know in a leap year the month of February has 29 days. So the number of plants will be multiplied with 29 to get the total number of plants planted in the month of February. Okay, number 5. Number of plants planted every day is equal to 2,317. So number of plants planted in the month of February leap year is equal to 2,317 into 29, because we know in the month of February during the leap year is 29 days, is it? Now we are going to multiply it. Nine sevens are 63, 9 ones are 9 and 6 15, 9 threes are 27 and 1 28, 9 twos are 18 and 2 20. 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2 and 1 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. Now we'll add it up. 3 9. So this many plants are planted in a month of February during the leap year. So with this we have completed the word sums, and if there is any doubt, Monday we have live class. You can ask me during the live class. Okay, till then keep practicing, dears. Thank you.